Go for
Okay,
it.
so Alex here is a cube master. Alex can do a Rubik's cube. Say that again.
Rubik's Cube.
Thank you. In how many minutes?
20 or 30 seconds.
No looking. No
Okay.
looking.
Mix
We're
it
gonna
up
mix
good,
this up
Dr.
here.
Weisner.
Crazy over here.
Woo!
And we're going to give it to the cube master. And you're on the clock, Alex.
Go
Can
for
I
it.
inspection first?
Oh, you're not on the clock, Alex. So you
No,
can't inspect
you're not
this.
on the clock. Yeah, inspect it.
Okay.
There is no clock.
Okay. Ready, set, go.
He's on the clock. Do we have music?
Yeah, it's going in the background. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Well, that's the wrong game.
15
Alex.
seconds.
You are amazing.
Those fingers fly.
Pressure's on.
Pressure is mounting.
Oh!
Oh my
So
gosh.
close.
And, 30
Woo!
seconds on the nose.
Fantastic!
Give it up for Alex. Here's cute.
Nice job, Alex.
It's awesome.
That is awesome.